Want to do the welcome speech?
Who asked that? Is that Zia?
No, ma'am, it was Aisha Dina. Okay, Dina, if you want to do the welcome speech, you can do. Otherwise, we can move on to Hadi's presentation.
Yeah, okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm thrilled to welcome you all to today's webinar, and I'm honored to have you here with us. Whether you are joining us from near or far, your presence is greatly appreciated. I welcome Hadi to the webinar. Enjoy the webinar. Hadi, you can start.
Yes. The solar system. The planet Mercury. Exploration. Mariner 10, the first spacecraft to visit Mercury, conducting 3 flybys in 1974 and 1975. Messenger launched by NASA in 2004. It orbited Mercury from 2011 to 2015, providing detailed maps and data on the planet's composition, geology, and magnetic field. No atmosphere. Mercury's thin exosphere is not capable of supporting life as we know it. No moons or rings. Mercury does not have any moons or rings. Mercury is the hottest planet and the smallest planet. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and the hottest planet in our solar system. Despite being farther from the Sun than Mercury, its thick atmosphere traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, causing surface temperatures solar to over 860 degrees Fahrenheit, heat 462 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. This scorching atmosphere is composed almost entirely of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid that surrounded the planet's surface. The planet Earth. Everyone knows that planet Earth only holds life. Rotation period 24 hours. Distance from the sun about 149.6 million kilometers, 93 million miles. Moons. One natural satellite known as the moon. Atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is composed of nitrogen and to about 78% oxygen or to about 21%, Other gases include argon, carbon dioxide, and trace amount of other gases are 1%. The planet Mars. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are thought to be captured asteroids. Potential for life. Mars has confident conditions that might have supported microbial life in the past. Exploration. Mars has been a major target for space exploration. Various missions, including rovers like Curiosity, Perseverance, and orbiters like Mars Odyssey and Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, have provided extensive information about the planet. Human exploration. Planets for human missions to Mars are in development with NASA's Artemis program aiming to lay the groundwork for future crewed mission to Mars. Mars had water before. That's why it thought it can hold life. Planet Jupiter. Great red spot, one of the most distinctive features of Jupiter is the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that is about 1.3 times the diameter of Earth. Surface area. The surface area of Jupiter is about 61.42 billion square kilometers, which is approximately 120 times the surface of area of the Earth. Gravity. The gravity on Jupiter's surface is about 2.4 times that of Earth. This means a person with 100 kilogram on Earth would weigh about 240 kilogram on Jupiter. The planet Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in our solar system after Jupiter. It's a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of Earth. Despite its massive size, Saturn is the least dense of all planets and is only the less dense than water. Saturn have 7 rings. The planet Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and the third largest planet in our solar system. It's an ice giant, meaning most of its mass is made up of icy materials like water, ammonia, and methane. The planet Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun in our solar system. It's also the fourth largest planet with a diameter about 4 times that of Earth. Open the new window educational, the geographic or a Neptune planet. Here are some interesting facts about Neptune. A deep blue world, Neptune's rich blue color comes from methane gas in its atmosphere, which absorb red wa- wavelengths of light and reflects blue ones.
Wow, Hadi,
Yes,
super. Done. It
yes,
was so good. The slides were super attractive. Very nice. Okay. Now it's Q&A, right? Do people have
yes,
questions to Hadi?
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, please. You can give a
Uh,
hand raise.
okay. I know Einstein predicted that there's black holes, but can I know who found black holes?
Okay. Who found black holes?
Yeah.
yeah. Who found
Black holes.
black hole?
Can I ask next?
Just a minute. Okay. Just we'll give some time to Hadi for answering it out. Is he stuck? No,
Yeah,
right?
theor- theoretical prediction, the idea of an object so dense that light couldn't escape, was first proposed by John Mitchell in the 18th century. Mathematical solution called Schwarzschild in 1916 was the first to find the mathematical solution to Einstein's theory of relativity that described a black hole. First detection, the first object widely accepted as a black hole is Cygnus X minus 1, discovered by Paul Martin and Louis Webster in 1971. So while the theoretical groundwork was laid by Mitchell and Schwarzschild, the actual detection and confirmation of black holes as physical objects is attributed to Martin and
Okay.
Webster.
Okay, my dear. Okay, okay. So shall we move to the next question? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Adnan?
Uh, yeah. I didn't want to know like the most of it. I just wanted to know the name.
Teacher, what is it on?
Like I didn't get the answer. Like who found it?
Um, it might be a person like from using telescopes. You can
Okay.
say it's basically from telescope as there is like a black hole in the middle of our Milky Way galaxy itself. So it might be a satellite that discovered it, but it is some. I know that it's some two people. Like it's some like very old people. I don't remember the name. It was there in the Guinness World Record book of 2023,
Is it
I
Martin and
guess.
Webster?
What?
is Paul Morton and Louis Webster in 1971.
What?
Yeah, its first detection is discovered by Paul Morton and Louis Webster in 1971.
Fizan, your doubt cleared?
It wasn't my doubt. It was Adnan's doubt. And
Hmm.
the speaker was not saying. I don't know if he knew it or not. So I just helped him. Yes. Okay. So can I ask my doubt?
Yes, Fizan.
Okay.
I think
Can
Hadi is stuck.
gravity?
Just a minute, I need to check. Hadi, are you stuck, my dear? Hadi.
No,
He is stuck.
no,
Okay, 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 Fizan, you can ask. No.
Yeah. Can gravities form waves? Waves.
can
Gravity form waves.
can gravity form waves?
Yeah.
Yes, gravity can form waves.
Okay.
Should I explain?
No. No. No problems.
Yes, gravity can form waves.
Okay. Thanks for the answer.
Welcome.
Any more doubts? Honyo, do you have any question? Honyo, do you have any question?
Yeah, my
Please
question
ask.
is, who discovered the planets?
Um, who this? While the ancient civilization observed and named the planets visible to the naked eye, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, the discovery of outer planets and many of their moons involved dedicated astronomers and advanced telescopes.
I have one more question. My question is, who uh uh who went to the what call who is the first person who went to Mars? The first person who went to Mars.
You are telling which is the first person to go Mars.
Yeah, who went to
No,
Mars?
who is the first person went to the Mars?
I don't think people went
Any
there.
more questions? Did any Honyo?
Ma'am,
Honyo?
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am. He asked one question.
Yes, I
I
think
think
Hadi
Harvey
is
is not.
researching. Yeah.
Yeah.
the first people on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first person.
I guess no one went to the Mars.
Yeah, like they would like send satellites and all. It's basically just moon was the only planet. Like, I don't know, maybe, but according to my knowledge, yeah.
People can stay in Mars because like we can lightly just fit on it.
You can, but you need oxygen over
Yeah,
there, and there
no
is no
humans
atmosphere.
have ever been to Mars
Mars
yet.
is very hot. That's why we can stand there.
Yeah, I have one more question. My another question is why we can't live that long in the planets? Wait, I think I
In
know.
other planets, right?
Yeah, in like Mars,
Um,
Jupiter, everything.
Basically, you can't live there is because there is no food, water, or air, or not even gravity. Gravity is there, but it might be too high or too low, or even atmosphere is not there.
About
Okay.
oxygen.
I think it's time to leave for.
No more
And that's the
questions.
only reason why people are wearing spacesuits when they are going out, like to other planets and all.
Yeah. Yes. Any more questions?
Ma'am, I have one more question. My question is why the people who work who is the CEO of NASA, that people know why does they send people in the what call in the planets, and why do they send the people in the planet?
Okay. Why do people go to planets?
No, no,
Hadi.
no,
They
not that,
research
ma'am.
for the research.
Yeah, for the research, right?
Without research, what
Could
should
you
we
repeat the
do?
question again? It was not pretty much understandable.
My question
Why
is
do people
uh
visit Space, right? How
no.
here?
No, ma'am. Why does people? Oh,
No,
the ANASA people,
satellites.
CEO people. Why does they send some people in the rocket wearing the what called gravity is something oxygen marks, and why the ANASA people, the CEOs of ANASA people send the people into the planets?
To research.
What?
To do research, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
good.
nowadays our popularity is coming too high, so they are looking for the chances people
Yeah,
can leave
even
other
people
planets.
I
are
think they are
want to live
discovering.
underwater.
I think they are discovering what are
Yes,
in the
now.
planet.
But underwater, we won't get much oxygen.
You would get
Yeah.
using oxygen mask, right? And there is oxygen under there actually, but it's
Not
not for
much.
us.
Not
There is
much.
like there is like enough oxygen to live for us, but we are not fishes that we don't have gills and all to do it to uh,
I
I
filter
have
out the
said
one
oxygen.
we
last
should build a home under the sea.
Yeah, but we can't. It's in the inner core. It's very hot and magma as well. No? At the inner core
I
Wait
have
a minute,
one
and
why are you
last
going
mantle.
to the inner
question.
core? We
No,
are
he
staying
said
the
he's building a house under the sea. Like under sea is the mantle, the crust, and all right.
mantle crust isn't hot. It
Crust
becomes
isn't hot,
warm.
but mantle is a bit.
Yeah,
So how they then like if you build a house under the sea, where will you get oxygen from?
and to make it
Ma'am,
even worse,
can I
it is
ask a
What
question?
about
very
the earthquake?
high
Isn't that
pressure
dangerous enough?
and gravity.
That is the most
That's
important thing.
fine. I have one last question. I think this is the last. My last question is why we can't stay so. No, no, no. I think I have asked him that.
Yeah, you asked
Yeah,
that.
Just
yeah.
ask. So Adi just give me the answer. You said you would make a house under the sea, right? but there won't be much oxygen, you know. So what would you
Yeah,
do?
I think we will to buy
Oh,
oxygen,
Yeah.
and
There
I have
won't.
oxygen
one
will
last
not be
question.
available.
And what about the food and all? Like, how would you get it?
You could make it into pack.
What
You
about the
can send
And
it from
like
the
underground?
Kizan
upper
told, the
parts
gravitation, it's very important, danger.
and
Yeah,
make
once
it
the Mars had
pressures.
actually water, right?
Huh?
Like when we go deeper in oceans itself, it has higher pressure. So guess what's gonna be it when it's under ocean?
Yeah. Isn't that a big problem, Happy?
We are like meant to handle the pressure
And like
that
there
is
was a previous
on the
news,
earth,
right?
on the
Like a
surface.
submarine went under the sea, it exploded due to the pressure. Yeah.
Compression, and it wasn't a normal explosion like exploding outwards. It did not explode outwards. It could have exploded outwards if it is a problem of like le- mechanical program or something, but it was a
Oh,
But
problem of
still, it's
so
very dangerous. So,
I
Hadi,
think in
what would you
future
do?
people will be living
The
in
time
big
is over for
apartments.
3:30. Can I ask my last question?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Oh, wait. Who's the first person visit the planet at in which year? Which year? Like in 1984, like that time or something.
Which people went to moon in which year?
Not moon, not moon. Planet. The what call the planet? Solar
You're saying
system.
like other planets other than Earth and Moon, not Earth. Sorry.
Like I mean like I'll just say wait, wait. I'll just say Jupiter. Like who visit Jupiter? The
No,
first
no
Um,
one
person.
can go
you
to
know that
Jupiter
it is
because it's a gas.
impossible for us to stay there even with the space suits, right? Because due to the high gravity,
It could
not high
break.
gravity,
No gravity.
and it rains diamonds and stuff, which is really dangerous for us.
What? Why does they
It rains
rain
diamonds, so
diamonds
it could
there?
damage our suit and oxygen.
Yeah,
The provided
and
things. It can
if the
damage even
Why
the
glass,
spaceship that we have
why
came.
does it
Does
rain
it rain
diamonds?
diamonds?
Yeah,
I don't know.
not much, but
What?
yeah.
That
It
means
was
I'll be rich man after visiting the Jupiter.
no one has visited other planets because it is very
It's far
the
and
one
takes a
thing
lot
is
of
it's
years
very
and
hot.
times.
Yeah, it
Very
takes more
hot.
than years.
Oh,
Like, it takes
I
more than a
think
decade.
Earth is the third position is the best position for Earth due to normal weather and normal
But the
hot.
weather is getting more worst and worst.
Yeah, due to pollution.
Don't pollution.
I think people didn't went to Mars, but they sent rovers in spaceship.
Okay.
Or they might have used satellite. Which one do you think? See?
What the first humans went to Earth.
I think it's the end.
I think most of the questions were answered, right?
Yeah.
Hadi. So shall
Yeah.
we wind
Yeah.
up? It's time to
Yes.
wind up,
The,
right?
the,
Sure.
Ma'am,
the first
wait,
human
ma'am.
went to Earth.
So
Ma'am,
Izan
I
is
think
here. Yeah.
yeah, no, 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 no.
Izan, are you there, my dear? Izan is here? No. Okay. Can someone deliver a vote of thanks? Can someone do it? Afnaz, are you there? Afnaz, Afnaz. Honyu, can you tell a small vote of thanks?
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Can I ask something? Ma'am.
Honyu, can you deliver a short vote of thanks?
Okay, ma'am. It was
Yeah.
a wonderful session, and we discover a lot of we discover a lot about our solar system from. It is good.
Yeah, it was too good. Okay, Adi, you showed up on time. Your slides were really good. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you for managing the webinar so well. Bye bye. Thank you all for your valuable time.
Bye, guys.
See you all again with a beautiful topic. Bye bye.
Bye, man.
Bye, Adi. Bye
Bye, ma'am.
bye. Bye.